Hello, good morning. This is Benita, Kusina Benita again. I'm here, guys. I'm showing to you guys the presentation of the dessert that I have to make it for a birthday party that I'm attending today. Okay, so now this is the one that I prepared. For the they call sweet rice. Bilo, the purple one. I had this one, and I had the pichi. This is all the pichi. It's almost ready, to cook. Also, the sweet rice, how with the balls, I make it ball, right? This is all the ingredients that I have in here. So the ingredients of the ball sweet rice that I make it purple. Okay, and white. Okay, also this is the ingredients that I had to mix it. Okay, so I have this one they call linga. It's just like sesame seed that I fry it. I put this one a sugar on it, so you can sprinkle on those pichi later on. This one is for the pichi. Okay, to sprinkle of this my pichi is done. Also, now the first thing that I have to cook is the pichi. I'm just showing you guys, like I said, I have make a purple sweet rice. Okay, with the ingredients, I have banana plantain, okay, and sweet potato. Okay, this is the purple one. Okay, also I have a shredded jackfruit. And I have kaong. They call this one is sugar palm fruit. Okay, same thing with the white one. So that's all the ingredients for my purple sweet rice the dessert today. Okay, and this one also the shredded coconut. This is fresh. It's already shredded. This is the one the ingredients for my pichi. Okay, the pichi ingredients is only two things. Okay, this is very easy. Just the sesame. Okay, fry the sesame, and you have to shake it, tapping of your pichi and shredded what do you call coconut shredded. Also, if I have the rest of this one, I can mix it also with my they call bilo in the Philippines, but we call this one is sweet ball. Okay, with the coconut milk. All right, so I had a coconut milk here that I'm using is I need to mix I need to mix this one like maybe three coconut milk, so it's much better the taste so it's not like a watery. Also, I put the 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar right now. It's up to you guys. You make white sugar, it's okay, but right now I'm trying to get different style, so I want to put this brown sugar, guys, and I have my shredded, like I said, jackfruit, and that's all, guys. So we'll see. I'm showing to you later on the result if I'm done cooking. Okay, because right now I'm just preparing. It's hard for me to cutting whatever that I'm showing to you guys is too much work, so I did preparation like this. Okay, so thank you so much. Maybe you can watch it later if I'm done. So right now I'm doing is I'm boiling some water in the fry pan to cook it, the pichi, the white one, the circle one. Okay, so that's all, guys. So thank you very much and have a good day. Just see it later, the result, if I'm done cooking and everything. Okay, Kusina Benita busy right now. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Happy good Saturday. Okay, everyone is very happy. And also in the Philippines, make sure you have to save everyone, because it's dangerous there in our place, right now. Okay, so I'll see you guys later in the Philippines. I will visit you guys. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Bye.